So when considering a processing machine, it's important to consider a few main points. The first is going to be reputable and safe component loading. PICs and waveguides tend to have sensitive surfaces that need to remain scratch and defect free. So not only does the clamping need to be secure, but material selection needs to be considered. After that, your fixture alignment and calibration is also going to be very important. Flexibility in the work holder to adapt for any changes, any misalignments in polishing orientation is going to give you a much higher accuracy in polishing. Furthermore, the polishing machine itself is going to have some particular polishing parameters. That's going to include your pressure control, your platen speeds, as well as your cycle times. The Nova here features a 5-micron resolution, as well as what we call a microfeed routine. This is a programmable feature that will lower your polishing chip to the polishing surface at a very slow rate over a certain amount of time. This helps you maintain constant pressure with the polishing surface, and then also so you don't lose any contact as material is removed. Finally, the system must provide some sort of pathway to go from an R&D level, low volume process development to a full-scale production scale. So for instance, upgrading work holders going from polishing 1 to 4 simultaneously. PICs and waveguides also tend to need interconnect devices. This is going to include bare fibers, fiber arrays, as well as connector termini. So being able to polish all of those interconnect devices by easily swapping and exchanging work holders on the same platform of your PIC processing platform is going to future-proof your system and protect your investment. So I hope that helps. Thank you for your time. For more information, you can find us online at www.krotech.com. Thank you.